Now, when this KNDP was formed, it means that we have three political parties that were not existing in British Southern Cameroon at the time. There was the KNC party, there was the KPP party, there was KNDP party. These were the three political parties that were formed. When these parties were formed, the British government again went ahead and organized elections in British Southern Cameroon in 1957. 2 years after the KNDP was formed, 1957 elections were organized in Southern Cameroon into the post of premier. During the 1957 elections, the parties that contested, there was KNC party, KNDP, KPP, KNDP, and the UPC party, which was a political party that was formed in French Cameroon. UPC was the first political party that was formed in French Cameroon on the 10th of April 1948 by a man called Leonard Bouli. Leonard Bouli was the person who formed the UPC party. Unlike popular opinion holds that the party was formed by Felix Roland Momi and the rest, the UPC party, was formed by Leonard Bouli. When the party was formed, the party has an objective as immediate independence and reunification for French Cameroon and British Southern Cameroon. Now, since the party was formed for immediate independence, the party has to start a revolt or an uprising in French Cameroon in May 1955. With the uprising, the French High Commissioner has to ban the UPC in French Cameroon in June 1955. When the UPC was banned in French Cameroon, the UPC has to migrate to British Southern Cameroon and was based in Kumba. So during the 1957 elections in British Southern Cameroon, the UPC that migrated in French Cameroon, because it was banned, it was made illegal, the party migrated to Southern Cameroon. The reason why the party was banned in French Cameroon was because since the party was demanding for immediate independence and the French were not ready to give immediate independence, the party leaders or the militants of the party, they resort into terrorist or maquisard activities in French Cameroon. These members or these militants were killing people in various areas. They will hide in the bush, people are passing, they will arrest them and take them to the bush and kill them. So with these maquisard activities, the UPC was banned, and when it was banned, it migrated to British Southern Cameroon. During the 1957 election in Southern Cameroon, we see that the ANC party of EMNDL has 6 seats. KPP had 2 seats, KNDP had 5 seats, and the UPC had 0. It gives how many seats? 13. These were the 13 seats that were given to Southern Cameroon in the House of Assembly when a Equatorial region was granted to Southern Cameroon. So when the UPC had 0 seats, the UPC now began to accuse the government of NDLA. In fact, they threatened NDLA that the elections were being rigged, that there was fraud in the election. So for that reason, the British governor for Nigeria was afraid that if the UPC continued in British Southern Cameroon, it was going to spread communist ideas, because the UPC was a communist party. It was a party that was following the communist idea of Mao Zedong of China. So France and Britain being capitalist countries, they did not want the UPC party to spread communist ideas as well as maquisard ideas in British Southern Cameroon. So the governor has to ban the UPC in 1957 in British Southern Cameroon. When the UPC was banned, some Southern Cameroonians have to change the name of the UPC to OK, which now became the full political party in Cameroon. OK means one Cameroon. One Cameroon. Who were these Southern Cameroonians that has to join together to form the OK, which was the outcome of the banned UPC in Southern Cameroon? These were Detu Maza, and Albert Womamukon These people changed the UPC party to one Cameroon, which became the fourth political party in British Southern Cameroon. Now, when the OK was formed, the British government now discovered that Southern Cameroon, the Kwasi region that was granted to Southern Cameroon was fast growing. The Southern Cameroonians managed themselves with the Kwasi region.